Yeah. Today I am going to explain about identities. What is the meaning of identity? Identities is true for all values and equation is true for some values. Left side की heading identity. Identity is true for identity is true for identity is true for identity is true for all the values all the values of an unknown. Identity is identity is true for all the values of the unknown. Next example. I can write first example. 2x plus 3y whole square. Next, x square minus y square, comma dot dot, etc. What is the meaning of identity? Identity is true for all the values of an unknown. Key first our point. Yeah. It is also called as it is also called as it is also called as unconditional equation. Unconditional equation. It is also called as unconditional equation. Second star point. Equation has an equal to sign. Equation has an equal to sign equation has an equal to sign in between while an identity has three lines to show equality in between to show equality in between, that is this is a symbol of equality. However, identities are also sometimes identities are also sometimes identities are also sometimes expressed with the equal sign. expressed with the equal sign. Right. Just now I have given clear definition of identity, how to identify what is equation and what is identity. Equation has equal to sign, equality has 3 lines, but normally nowadays we are using, for the symbol of identity also we are using equal to sign, but equation is true for some values, identities is true for any values. Yeah. Now keep heading identity first. Keep heading identity first. Keep heading identity first. What is first identity? X plus A, second bracket, X plus B is equal to X plus A, X plus B is equal to X square X square plus A plus BX plus AB. This is first identity. X plus A, X plus B is equal to X square plus A plus BX plus AB. This is the first identity. Yeah. Yeah. What is identity first? X plus A, X plus B is equal to X square plus A plus BX plus AB. Note down example first. Yeah. Note down example first, everyone. Example first. Yeah. Note down example first. Expand X plus 4, second bracket, X plus 5. Expand X plus 4, X plus 5. Now in this question, students, you are observing it is looking like X plus A, X plus B. Stop writing, everyone. First concentrate here. Stop writing, everyone. Yes. Question E has given expand X plus 4, X plus 5. X plus 4, X plus 5. Now I want to expand X plus 4 and X plus 5. Yeah. It is looking like X plus A, X plus B form. It is looking like X plus A, X plus B form. Note down X plus A, second bracket, X plus B is equal to X square x square plus a plus bx, a plus bx plus ab. Now in this question, students, you are observing what is the value of a. The value of a is equal to, small a, sorry, a is equal to 4, comma, b is equal to 5. Now this value I want to substitute in the given identity. This value I want to substitute in the given identity. What is identity? X plus a, x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus bx plus ab. Yeah. Now substitute the value in the given identity. Yeah. Means I can write left side x plus 4, second bracket, x plus 5 is equal to x square in the place of x square I will write x square, but in the place of a I will write 4, in the place of b I will write 5, x plus ab. Ab means a into b. In the place of a I will write 4 into 5. Now we need to simplify this. Yes, we need to simplify this. Is equal to x square x square 5 plus 4 is equal to 9x plus 5 4 is 20. This is the answer. Very easy question. Whatever value of a is there and value of b, we want to substitute that value in the given identity. What is identity here? X plus a, x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus bx plus ab. The value of a is, the value of a is 4, the value of b is 5. Now our answer has come x square plus 9x plus 20. Note down example second. Expand x plus 7, x plus 5. Start solving, everyone. Expand x plus 7, x plus 5. Again, it is looking like x plus a, x plus b form. X plus 7, x plus 5. This is the question. Now question is looking like x plus a, x plus b form. X plus a, x plus b is equal to x square plus x square plus a plus bx, a plus bx plus ab. What is the value of a here? The value of a is 7. The value of b is 5. A is equal to 7. Don't use capital letter in the algebra. A is equal to 7, comma b is equal to 5. Now we want to substitute this value in the given identity. Yes. Start substituting the value, everyone. In the place of a, I am substituting 7. In the place of b, I am substituting 5. Now x square plus a plus b. What is the value of a here? The value of a is 7. The value of b is 5 plus 7 into 5. Yeah. What is final answer? X square plus 12x plus 35. Hold on everyone. X square plus 12x square plus 12x plus 7 5 is 35. This is the answer. Yeah, I hope students you got it how we are applying this identity in the given questions. Students, are you able to see my screen? Right. Right, better. Note down example 3. Expand x minus 7, second bracket, x plus 11. Expand x minus 7, x plus 11. Start solving everyone this question. I want to check each and everyone notebook. Expand x minus 7, x plus 11. Start solving everyone. X minus 7, x plus 11. Yeah, listen carefully here. Question is what? X minus 7, x minus 7, x plus 11. Now the value of a, first we will write identity form, first identity, x plus a, x plus a, x plus a, x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus bx, x square plus a plus bx plus ab. X square plus a plus bx plus ab. In this question, students, you are observing the value of a is minus 7, not plus 7. Don't confuse. The value of a is minus 7, comma. The value of b is equal to 11. Now this value I want to substitute in the given identity. What is the identity? X plus a, x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus bx plus ab. Now we want to substitute this value in the given identity. Yeah, start substituting everyone. X plus, the value of a is minus 7, x minus 7. Second, x minus b, the value of b is plus 11 is equal to x square I will write same because x square will be x square. Next, plus the value of a is minus 7 plus 11 x square plus a plus b. A is minus 7, b is 11. A plus bx plus ab. The value of a is minus 7 into 11. Now students, you are observing here, this question answer will become x square and minus 7 and plus 11. Both are unlike sign. If sign are different, we want to do subtraction. 11 minus 7, 3. After subtraction, I want to check which value is the greater value, that sign we want to write here. 11 is the greater value, that sign is plus, means I can write plus 4. Then x square plus 4x, x square plus 4x, and plus into minus, minus 7 into 11, minus 44. Minus 77 is the right answer. X square minus x square plus 4x minus 77. This is the right answer. Note down everyone. I hope students you got it. What is the first identity? Example 4. Expand 12 into 18. Expand 12 into 18 by using identity. Don't write here 12 into 18 is equal to whatever answer is coming to your answer. No. We want to solve this question by using identity. Now students, you are observing here 12 means I can write here 10 plus 2 and 18 we can write 10 plus 8. I can write here 12 means 10 plus 2, 18 means 10 plus 8. 12 into 18 I can write here 12, I can write 10 plus 2 and 18 I can write 10 plus 8. It is looking like x plus a, x plus b form. It is looking like x plus a, x plus b form. Yeah, but here what is the value of a? The value of a, the value of x is 10. X is equal to 10, comma, the value of a is equal to 2 and the value of b is equal to 8. Now this value I want to substitute in the given identity. Then I can write here a, x plus a, x means 10 plus 2, second bracket, 10 plus 8 is equal to, I want to substitute value here. Yeah, in the place of x, what is the value of x here? 10. 10 is square. Ten is square plus a plus b. What is the value of a? A is 2. B is 8. X value is 10 plus ab. The value of a is 2. The value of b is 8. Now we need to simplify this question. is equal to 10 square means 100 plus 8 2 plus 8 10 10 into 10 100 plus 8 to the 16. Answer is 216. Answer is 216. You can check your answer, students. Your answer is right or wrong. You can do normal multiplication. You can check 10 into 18 is equal to 216. With the help of algebra also you can say your answer is 216, and with the help of arithmetic also we can say 12 into 18 is equal to 216. Hold on everyone. 12 into 18, 12 means 10 plus 2, 18 means 10 plus 8. X plus a, x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b, x plus ab. The value of x is 10. The value of the value of the value of a is equal to 10. The value of x is equal to 10, a is equal to 2, b is equal to 8. We have substituted this value in the given identity. Our answer has come to 116. I hope students you got it, how we are applying this given value in the given identity. Yeah. Example 4 I have given here. Find out the value of 12 into 18. 12 I have written 10 plus 2, and 18 I have written 10 plus 8. Now you can ask, sir, why you are writing 12 is equal to 10 plus 2? Why you written 12 I can write, 18 we can write here 20 minus 2, and 12 we can write 10 plus 2. When you are writing this, then but we want the value of x will be same. How the value of x will be same? If I want to make x as a 10, then we can say x plus 20 and x plus 2 and x plus 8. We can take other value, but here the value of x will be different. But we want to make the value of x will be same. That's why x plus 10, x plus 12 means x plus 2, and 18 means x plus 8. Our main target is that we want to make the value of x will be equal. Then x means 10, y is a is 2, when b is 8. This value we have substituted in the given identity. In the place of x, I have substituted 10 square, 100 plus a plus b. A is 2, b is 8, 2 plus 8, 10, 10 into 10, 100 plus ab, 2 into 8, 16. 100 plus 100 plus 16 is equal to 216. This is the right answer. Note down everyone.